I believe it's coming, guys. What you're witness about to see? It's coming though. It's like really scary. You guys will probably not come here. Like, it's like all over the place now. I don't know if you guys are witnessing this, but if you're watching this, please subscribe, like, and probably comment sometimes. I don't know, probably. Yeah, what you're witnessing is very dangerous. Warning. Please tell any kids not here. And please pay attention to the video while you see. If it's blurry or nothing, please ignore it. This is a witnessing. Very close playing what you just witnessed there, guys. I'm gonna release all those videos I put it in the first place. Yeah, I just saw planes there. Probably show it off to my whole class. It's like really scary, so I came up to that, like right there, like in the sky. I don't know what they're doing, it's like close. It's another plane. So honestly, yeah, it's scary. It's like, I just don't want to live here anymore. I don't know what's happening. It's a plane as well. What the? Hear that? Wait, I'll pause it. Holy, what the? That was very close. Ooh. This is my nephew's. Just please ignore. Hi. Yeah, don't play with that. That was one too close.